If you want your bed to look more put together without replacing everything, you need to see these. These pillow shams were gifted to me by the brand for my honest review, and I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting them to make much of a difference, but once I put them on my bed, I did feel like it elevated the look of it. The first thing that I want to point out, because this is really important, is the embroidery. It's not a solid color. It's actually a 3-line gradient design. So you'll notice a subtle shift in gray tones depending on the lighting. In person, it gives a much more elevated, layered look, but I can see how it might be mistaken for a single color online. So I just wanted you to keep that in mind when you're ordering. The fabric itself is 100% cotton with a 400 thread count sateen weave, and you can really feel the difference. It's smooth, soft, and has that slight sheen that gives you that hotel style look, but it's still breathable and comfortable enough to sleep on every night. I also really like the envelope closure on the back. It keeps the pillows fully covered and looking clean, which makes a big difference when you're styling your bed. There's no bunching or slipping out. The sizing is also true to size, and the border detail adds just enough structure to elevate your bedding without being too much. It's a simple upgrade, but it completely changes the overall look. So if you're going for that clean, elevated bedroom aesthetic, these are definitely worth it. Just remember the embroidery is a gradient color, not a solid same tone.